and you're the only one who seems to care.
They All Wear Hats at the Dory Café takes place at the mythical Dory Café. There was a Dory Café here in Gloucester, and then it became the Fort Square Cafe, and now it's Mom's Kitchen. But it's always been the same sort of mythical place where people come together from all walks of life. From locals to tourists, they all sort of convene there. And it's small and tight, and they have these great conversations across the room, and personalities really come to the fore. And people find their humanity in a place like that.
No matter what I damn.
Well, the play is set in 1991 during Hurricane Bob, which was 2 months prior to the perfect storm. And it was one of the most devastatingly expensive hurricanes to date.
I blame myself for
And so all of the regulars that come in to the cafe are there when the hurricane hits.
yours is pride.
How have you been? We have so much to catch up on. Hey, do you remember when...
It's a long way.
They get stuck together. The play was inspired by Bus Stop by William Inge, one of the great American plays, that does a similar thing during a blizzard in the Midwest. All these people who are on a bus, they get stuck in a cafe together and they have to face each other.
You just saw Breakfast Jack keep it flat and a huge cowboy.
Coming right up!
And so the dynamic tension in the play really, the hurricane itself becomes a character, and that makes it very exciting.